Okay, I want to show why it doesn't work. Looks like okay, I'll try. It doesn't rotate through, so it doesn't let me continually pull it, so it doesn't start. And I think the main thing is not the code. I think probably the I don't know what you call it, the rotary motor thing. Maybe it doesn't rotate. It just only rotate once or twice. And it doesn't start. So yeah, it's kind of stuck. It doesn't let me start. I'll try this mode. Still the same. Doesn't rotate at all. So I haven't been able to start, and yeah, I need to ask for refund or whatever. It doesn't work. Thanks.